Scene is safe.
Scene is safe.
Approach the patient. Go.
The patient is not.
Check. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey, hey. Are you okay? Hey, hey, hey. Are you okay? The patient is not responding. You wearing yellow shirt. Please call 998 and bring AAD when you come back.
Check for life. Head tilt. Chin lift. Parted pulse. Good. Look, listen, and feel. Count 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pulse.
Pulse, negative breathing.
Perform.
Perform CPR.
Okay, good. CPR. Xiphoid process. Lock your arms. Straight your arms. Okay, and push. Ay, hindi tama yan. Push mo yung may maririnig kang clicking sound. Try mo nga ulit. No, mali pa rin. You have to have the clicking sound. May circle dyan sa gitna. Parang may spring. Hindi. Taas mo pa konti. Yan, push. Hindi talaga. Push mo nga. Sige pa, harder. No. Hanapin mo yung may bilog dyan. Yan, may nararamdaman ka bang matigas? Sige nga, click mo yan nga. Push pa more. More. Yun. And count. Yes. Yes. Count. Push. Push. Hindi kasi ginagamit ang itong elbow. Dapat shoulder ang gagamitin mo. Ganyan. Push. Go. Yan.
Sorry.
Dito ka sa baba.
Okay, sa baba na lang.
Oh, dali mo yan. Tapos, spread yung knees mo, spread. Between the shoulder of the patient. And go. Xiphoid process and push. Yun. Yes. Louder. Look at your patient. $20 lang? Pilan ba dapat? Yes, 30 and 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1. Head tilt, chin lift. Use the mask. Where's the mask? Wag mong kainin yan na. Baliktad. Baliktad, tama. Yan. Baliktad. Yan. Okay, seal mo yan. I-seal mo na walang lalabas sa gilid. Yun. Head tilt. And buka baba and blow. One more. Hindi ganun but look at the chest. Blow. Look at the chest. And sundan mo ako. Mag-blow ka, tas chest. Blow, tas chest. Okay, blow, chest. Blow, chest. Continue CPR. Xiphoid process. Lock your arms. And count. Louder. 1, 2, 3. Ilang beses ulit-ulitin yan? Continue. 29? 2. Ilang beses daw gagawin yan? Yung 30 tas 2. How many times you repeat? No. 30 is to 2. How many times you have to repeat? Repeat it 4? How many times? Huh? Diba 13 compressions sa dalawang blow? 30 is to 2. Ilang beses mo ulit-ulitin yan sa loob ng 2 minuto? No? Gusto mo 60? Ulit-ulitin mo yung 60 times? Ilan? No? No? No. 30. Tapos 2. Ilang beses ulit-ulitin? Alam mo yan. Nasa utak mo yan. So, sige na nga, 30 tapos 2, 30 tapos 2, 30 tapos 2, 30 tapos 2, 30 tapos 2. Ilang beses mo ulit-ulitin yan? 30 is to 2 is to blank. How many times? No. 5 lang. Remember? 5 times ka mag-repeat. Okay? And blow. Pangalawa na yan. No, seal mo. Seal. And blow. One more. Okay, continue. Third cycle. Lock your arms and push. Look at your patient. Louder. Louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 4. Head tilt, chin lift, and blow. Chest blow. Continue. 5 na. Pang 5. Last mo na yan. Go. Count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Head tilt, chin lift, seal it, and blow. One more. Check for life. Remove the mask. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse. Look, listen, and feel. Hala. Okay. Look. Look, listen, and feel. Teka lang, yung carotid. Ito. And count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, positive breathing. Tayo na dyan. Balik ka doon. Perform recovery position. Paano yung recovery position? And the other one. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay? Do the same thing for the person. Dami. Teka lang, ang side mo ba is right or left? Dapat left or right? Dapat left, so away from you. I'll turn you to the other side, away from me. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Check the head for any injury. Check the back for any injury. The legs. Then, ang bibig ni patient, saan ba dapat? Ang bibig ni patient, saan dapat? Towards the underarm, right? To prevent aspiration. Yes. Now, the patient's not responding. Nag-blue yung patient mo. Put the patient back on a flat surface. Check for life. Head tilt. Chin lift. Carotid pulse. Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, but the patient's not breathing. Perform? No. Meron siyang pulso pero hindi siya humihinga. Rescue. Ano yung rescue breath? Isang hininga. Rest for 6 seconds. Repeat it for 20 to 24 times. Okay? Head tilt. Chin lift. Put the mask. Seal the mask. Seal it. Head tilt. And blow. Count. 1, 2, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2. 5 na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Blow. 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
Blow. 20 kailangan ko. 24.
1, 2, 3,
20.
4, 5, 20.
24.
24.
Blow. Head tilt. Remove the mask. Head tilt. Chin lift. Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive, negative pulse, negative breathing. Perform. Perform CPR. Yes. Yes. Now, the AED has arrived. Turn on the AED. Open the AED. Kunwari lang, turn on the AED. Attach the pads. Yes. And the other one? No, tiyan na yan. Dun sa may breast, sa baba pa. Sa may kilikili. In between the breast and the... Yes. And yan yung pad. And don't touch the patient. Analyzing, analyzing. Shock is advised. Please press the shock button. Before you press the shock button, what will you shout? I'm clear. Are you clear? I'm clear. Please press the shock button. Charging. Toot. Shock has been delivered. Continue CPR. And 1. Yes. Analyzing. Don't touch the patient. Analyzing. Shock is advised. Please press the shock button. No.
I'm,
Ano ka? Clear ka hindi?
I'm clear.
I'm clear. I'm also clear. Please press the shock button. And continue CPR. Don't touch the patient. Please press the shock button.
I'm clear.
Very good. Okay. Done.